Howdy everyone, this is Graham Biden with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're now looking at the Westcott. The Westcott in Houston, Texas. It's a gorgeous high-rise, and we're gonna go continue our tour. This is the tour that you don't really have to come in person because we're giving you all the details of the area from an insider viewpoint. This is Memorial Park, this area. So let me tell you about the area. It's a very genteel, very attractive area. There is, just in the direct area, there is a Starbucks that's right over there in walking distance. I believe there's a donut shop over there as well in walking distance. And there's a circle here. It's a really cool, fun circle. So you got some cool stuff here, especially if you have dogs. Just really, you can see all the trees that are here, all the trails. It's a great area. Memorial Park is close, of course, to Memorial Park, which that's a miles and miles, acres and acres of beautiful park, events, and just ways to hike, bike, even walk. So you've got a great area there. The houses that are around here are very expensive, townhomes. This is a very, very prosperous, elite kind of area. I'm also showing off what the building looks like. It's a very pretty building. I think it's about 14 stories. So it's not an overpowering high-rise, but it's a modern, recently built, beautiful high-rise, definitely. So this is what it looks like on the side. It's really quite a beautiful, beautiful high-rise. So I hope you've enjoyed just kind of seeing the side parts of it and taking a look. Now we're going to go inside and we're going to look at we're going to start to look. Actually, the next thing we're going to look at is the valet service, and then we're going to look at the lobby and start looking at the amenities. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here on this tour, send me a text. Just use the number below. And at any time, if you want to do a virtual tour, that's a live tour of the available apartments here at the Westcott, then send me a text as well.